We have added the advanced filter to this release. The advanced filter allows for complex filter conditions to be entered across columns in a single type-ahead input. Because we are using a single type-ahead input, we need to switch off the floating filters and the header within the grid first. This is easily achieved through the Properties panel on the right-hand side in Figma. Simply toggle off the floating filter. You will notice when I hover over the properties in the Properties panel, it highlights within the design in Figma. This is a handy feature to let you know exactly what you are about to toggle. Toggle the floating filter and the header into the off position, and toggle the advanced filter into the on position.